Good morning, students. In the previous video, uh, we had learned about the proportion. We had understand the concept of proportion. And today we'll continue exercise 7a from question number 6. Okay. The question is, I'll give you hints for some questions and you all will complete the exercise 7a. Okay. The question number 6 is the first, third, and fourth term of a proportion are 6, 9 and 36. Find the second term. Okay, so first, third and fourth term have been given. We have to find the second term. We have to find the second term. So let the second term be x. Okay, now they are in proportion, so it's very simple. uh, 6 ratio second term, first ratio is 6, second term we have to find, so it is x, and they are proportionate to 9 is to 36, because this is first term, this is third term, and 36 is fourth term. Okay, so second term is x, so put the value of second term as 6. Now product of extremes is equal to product of means, so we can write it 6 into 36 is equal to x into 9. Complete this question yourself. Okay, now question number 7, it is, are the following in proportion? In question number 7, ratios are given and you have to find whether they are in proportion or not. Okay, are the given ratios in proportion? Okay, so I'm going to solve part A, and it is 4 is to 12 proportionate to 6 is to 18. So we know the ratios are in proportion if they are equal. If ratios are equal, they are said to be in proportion. Okay. So for that, we'll find whether the ratios are equal or not. Okay. So simplify it. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. 1 is to 3. Okay. And 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. 1 is to 3. So the given ratios are equal, so they are in proportion. So write it in statement, yes, the given ratios are in proportion. Fine. Now you have to solve rest of the parts of question number 7. It's very simple. Okay, question number 8. 6 kg of rice is enough for 20 people. How much rice is required for 50 people? How much rice is required for 50 people? So the question is, try to understand, 6 kg for 20 people, 6 kg of rice is enough, and for 50 people how much rice is required? Okay, so we have to find the quantity of rice required for 50 people. Okay, if 20 people for 20 people 6 kg of rice is required. Okay, so write it here, quantity of rice ratio number of people proportionate to quantity of rice पहले लिखे है तो सेकंड रेशो ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਪਹਿਲੇ quantity ਹੀ ਆਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਓਕੇ quantity of rice ratio number of people okay in first ratio will fill the ratios from the first statement okay in first statement quantity of rice is 6 and the number of people are 20 and is proportionate to in second statement we have to find the quantity of rice so let it be x kg okay and number of people in the second statement is 50 okay so now you have to find the value of x so product of extremes is equal to product of means and this way you can find the value of x that means you will find the quantity of rice required for 50 people okay so complete this question yourself then question number 9 I'll explain question number 9 only then rest of the question you all will solve yourself in homework okay the price of 10-meter cloth is rupees 660 find the price of 6 meter of the same cloth means same proportion same ratios okay the price of 10 meter in first statement we have been given the length of cloth and its cost fine in the second statement it is given the length 6 meter and we have to find the price okay so write it in the proportion length of cloth ratio cost of cloth is proportionate to again length पहले लिखिए तो length ही आनी चाहिए है length of cloth is to cost fine so first statement the length of cloth is 10 meter and its cost is rupees 660 and it is proportionate to length of cloth 6 meter and its cost is we have to find so let it be x rupees okay so now product of extremes is equal to product of means that means 10 into x is equal to 660 multiplied by 6 so you have to find the value of x is equal to 10 is getting multiplied on the left hand side it will be transferred in on the right hand side and it will get divided cut okay 66 into 6 6 6 are 36 and it is 39 rupees 396 okay so x we had let x as the price of 6 meter of cloth so cost of write the statement therefore cost of 6 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 396 fine now this way you have to solve all the question of rest of the question of exercise 7a thank you so much watch this video repeatedly okay then only you will understand the concept of proportion and you will find how to solve the required proportion of required ratios of the proportions okay thank you so much